Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to reduce your backup and stop your internet consumption on your iPhone. This works only on iPhone iOS device. So just go to your iPhone settings. On your settings you go to your iCloud settings, you're on your domain, then you click iCloud, then you just scroll down, you'll see backup. This backup, you can see iCloud have already backed up some files down in this user device. Just click it. So this user device, what you don't like here, you're going to turn them off. Like I've already turned a lot of things off, like Facebook backup. I don't want it because it consumes my internet on the background even when I'm not using it, so I don't need Camera backup. So a lot of things that I will need, like this intro backup, I want everything to remain just the way they are. So yeah, okay, I've turned a lot of things off which is really important, that I save my internet. Okay, the messenger is also off, so you can see with the higher MBs, even the Insta saver, all these things back up under your iCloud, so they make your iCloud run out of space and you're making your internet run out, making your connection slow. Like when you are connecting iPhone through hotspots, you can see that the network is always slow because iPhone is draining it. This is the reason why people say iPhone consumes network so much, because it consumes a connection, like your data so much. Sorry, it's just the reason why we don't have it saved, because we do not turn a lot of stuff off, like the YouTube. Okay, I also turn it off because I don't need it backup. Okay, these are the main things that I want to turn off, like Binance. No, let me turn it off. Okay, this is just it. So there's no, if you want to turn off total iCloud backup, you can still turn it off, but I don't want to turn it off because I will lose some few files. So this is it. Also learn to turn on your keychain to save your passwords, because it's very important for you. Thank you guys.